What's up guys, welcome back to a new Raqmedia tutorial here with Izzudeen. In today's video we'll be showing you how to change your original DNS servers in order to use Cloudflare servers. As we all know, one of the main things which are critical to websites are the website speed and delivery to the users or visitors. So this is the test before activating the Cloudflare name servers, which are meant to speed up and optimize your website. As you can see here, for the mobile experience we have 7 out of 10, which is very low and slow compared to the visitors experience. It takes almost 6.5 seconds to get the first contentful paint. For the desktop, it's not that bad, 50, but it can be improved easily. So we'll check after configuring Cloudflare and making a change into our DNS to make them point to the Cloudflare servers. We'll retest this when we are finished. Let's head on to Cloudflare Portal. After logging in into your Cloudflare account and adding your website, if you have not done this, then check our video in which we'll be showing you step by step how to create a Cloudflare account and get the most out of it. Good. So after checking your website details, the DNS records of your website will have this table. Make sure that all these are pointing to Cloudflare servers. Next, scroll down to the bottom and click on continue.
www.raqmedia.com.
Well done. So here we need to make sure that Cloudflare name servers are activated on your website successfully. Otherwise, Cloudflare will be enabled to manage your DNS and optimize your site. So the first step for using Cloudflare servers is to activate the DNS servers of the portal. All you need to do is to head on to your DNS records on the configuration panel of your domain name, then change the settings, the original settings that you have of the DNS records into the new ones, which are those of Cloudflare. So as you can see here, we have 2 servers which are already active for this site. In order to modify them, you just click on modify DNS servers. Good, so easy. Now we just go back to Cloudflare and copy the DNS name servers. So that's the first one and the second one. Great, so after changing this, we head on to apply configuration. Click on it. And as you can see, configuration has started and modification has been processed. We need some time in order for this to get configured successfully and pointing to the Cloudflare name servers, as you can see them in here. And voila, as you can see here, many other options appears at the top, like analytics, the DNS, the SSL certificate, firewall, access speed, caching, workers, page rules, etc. So all these are great options to help make the most out of your website and make it load fast. Check analytics, details about your visitors. Next we have the DNS. You can see that most of them are pointing. We still wait for the servers. SSL, firewall, this will protect your website against any DDoS attacks or spams. But speed, which is very important. So here you will have an idea. As you can see, without Cloudflare you will need 1.65 seconds for the page to appear, but with Cloudflare it appears at 1.2 seconds, which is very fast. So you have it's 22% faster. Check optimization. And also activate this on. So we just test the features. If anything goes wrong, so just uncheck it or turn it off. Let's move on to caching. It's standard every 4 hours.
www.raqmedia.com.
So now your website is properly configured and you will start benefiting from Cloudflare power and make your site load blazingly fast compared to normal DNS, and all for free without paying any charges. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com